And so I'll show you the technique. This so this is how I'm going to do that. So this is the right way, so let's put here, and then we'll try to screw this one. Let's take the help of this. So I'm sorry for this one, but since I'm holding the camera, so I'm not able to do it properly. So this is done. So this is, I've turned it upside down, so I'm going to install this one. This is done. So this is 36. So let's try to tighten this. Okay, so done. I found this very easy. Instead of a bench press, if one doesn't have at home, then we can easily do, with the help of this. So this is already tight now. So this is, now I'm putting in the right direction now. Earlier, as I told you, I tried to turn this and then I happened to do it. So this is the right way now. This is the support I need. If I can put one screw, that will be alright. Because with one hand it's very difficult. So it's done now. So I happen to clean this with W40 also, and the socket also, this one W40. So if there's any, and I check the wire as well, if there is any loose wire or so I've checked that one. So I didn't find any such. So this is, by the way, this is number 13 ball. So this is done. Now let me put the pipe here. Well, it looks like the pipe is also dirty. I think it looks like a little bit of dirt here, but so much of sand, so this looks okay. So let's try to put this one. That's it. You will hear a click sound once you put it. Yeah, there you go. So this is done. Now I need to take out the ear. So I need to take out the ear. Let me grab a piece of cloth. So let me just keep the camera here for some time. I'll grab a phone.